I'll show you how to swap out the screen on an iPhone 6. This one, when you buy one, if the button's out, then make sure you get the whole screen with the button. I buy them on eBay. This one has the button and the front-facing camera already attached to it. If not, then you would have to take the screen off, then remove the button, and then put it on the blank and the empty spot of the new screen. But I bought it all together. It's like $4 more to get it all together. And why not? Because these screws here, I know they look bigger on this camera because I'm close up, but these are the screws. These are iPhone screws. These are all leftovers. I keep them around because if you drop one, you're going to need it. So if you have old iPhones that are not fixable, then harvest the screws out of them. To start, there's 2 screws on the bottom here. If you look, there's one here and one here. You got to get a toolkit. And usually when you buy a screen, they include a toolkit. This one did not. I had this toolkit left over, and these are the 2 that I'm going to need. This one's a star bit, little tiny star bit. And this one's a little tiny Phillips head. They need a star bit for the bottom 2 screws. It comes with all this other stuff. Alright, so you take these 2 screws out here. You might need to get a magnifying glass so you can see it because they're tiny. Make sure you set them aside. They're very easy to lose. And the other ones on the inside are even smaller. Normally this kit would come with a suction cup. You would put it on here and you lift it up a little bit. Well, I no longer have the suction cup, so I'm going to have to make this little pry tool work. But it's easy to get under it. Once you do, go around. Go around the other side. And then you want to get something to kind of get something to prop it up on, like that. Then you want to take your Phillips head so find it. Take your little Phillips head, and there's a screw here. Let me zoom in for you. Here, 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 and here. There's 5 screws, and they're so tiny. I think the middle one's a little longer. I'll show you each one. No. That's the middle one. Almost microscopic. I had to pull it up closer so I could see it. Almost microscopic. The hardest part's getting it back together. Another little tiny screw. Another tiny one. I thought one of them was longer than the others. I guess I'm wrong. Or actually, I don't even think you need it. That's not a screw. That's not the one you need to remove, is it? My bad. There's the last one there, right there. Oh, right there. That's the last one. Let's see what size that one is. That's the longer one there. That's the longer one there. You want to pull these ribbon cables up. 1, 2. There's a side one over here. And then there's the last one. There's 4 total. You look, those 4. So putting this new one on. They're in order. So you put the bottom one on. I always do the side one next, I think. Or no, I'll do the second one. All right. Once those are all popped in, which it's easier if you could pull it up to your face and look at it real closely. Once those are all in, you want to put your metal clip back over. Got to use the magnet on one to get them lined up, and then hold it with my finger, and then come in with the Phillips head, which is not magnetized for some stupid reason, and try and get it. Alright, once you do that, you want to slide the top. Now you want to, if you look, you want to put the top in first. So you kind of want to do that. Put the top in first, and then you want to go around and squeeze it. And then you put in your 2 longer screws in the bottom here. You might have to squeeze right here a little bit when you put these 2 screws in. Once you do that, it should come on. Yeah, it works, but I gotta plug it in because the battery's dead. Pull this stupid thing off of here.